One of the following is a vital investigative tool that has helped in the reconstruction of crime and the identity of suspects as well as victims because it is a factual and accurate record of the crime. A. Police works. B. Photography. C. Crime scene investigation. D. All of this. Answer B. Photography. The study of physical evidence such as blood, blood stains, fingerprints, tool marks, etc. through a laboratory work refers to A. Criminalistics. B. Investigation. C. Interrogation. D. Police science. Answer A. Criminalistics. Those that are left behind by the criminal perpetrator in the scene of the crime, which has significance in criminal investigations, are called A. Weapons. B. Criminal evidence. C. Instrumentation. D. Crime fruits. Answer B. Criminal evidence. The science which deals with the study, comparison and identification of weapons alleged to have been used in the commission of a crime referred to A. Ballista. B. Ballistica. C. Forensic. D. Forensic ballistics. Answer D. Forensic ballistics. The generic term that includes all government agencies, facilities, programs, procedures, personnel, and techniques concerned with the investigation, intake, custody, confinement, supervision, or treatment of alleged offenders refers to A. Correction. B. Penology. C. Criminal justice. D. The base pillar. Answer A. Correction. One of the following represents the earliest codification of the Roman law, which was incorporated into the Justinian Code. A. 12 Tables. B. Burgundian Code. C. Hammurabic Code. D. Code of Draco. Answer A. 12 Tables. The theory in penal science which maintains that punishment gives lessons to the offender and the would-be criminals is called A. Deterrence. B. Incapacitation. C. Reformation. D. Public safety. Answer A. Deterrence. During the 16th up to the 18th century, a criminal may be sent away from a place carried out by prohibition to coming against a specified territory. This is an ancient form of punishment called A. Exile. B. Banishment. C. Transportation. D. Public trial. Answer B. Banishment. Public humiliation or public exhibition also means A. Public execution. B. Social degradation. C. Punishment. D. Public trial. Answer B. Social degradation. Former warship used to house prisoners in the 18th and the 19th century were called A. jails, B. galleys, C. hawks, D. lavones. Answer C. hawks.